In this 5-minute video, I'm gonna build you an entire wardrobe, which means you can go to your closet, throw everything out, and with these simple 11 pieces, you can build a wardrobe of your dreams. And I just wanna do a big thank you to Levi's for sponsoring this video. Since everything's about stuff that lasts a long time, what better brand than Levi's, where you can buy a jean that's gonna last you like 20 years, bro. Now let's hop into it. Let's start with level 1. 3 shoes, that's all you need. If you got 50, 60, 110, too much. I want you to narrow it down to just 3. These are the 3 you're going to need. You need a white sneaker. This is gonna be your versatile one, your casual one. This is the one that you always wear when you wanna keep it relaxed. You're gonna need a boot. See, boots are great because it's like that one step up above a sneaker. You look a little dressier, but it's still more comfortable than a dress shoe, right? It's also rugged. It protects against the elements, and it adds a different flavor to your fits. And finally, you're gonna need a dress shoe. The dress shoe can be either a loafer or an actual lace-up, but there's gonna come a time where you're gonna wanna level up, really dress up, and when you buy the right dress shoe, like you're seeing here, you can dress it up. You can dress it up in jeans, you can dress it up in chinos, and obviously, it looks amazing in a suit. Pants are important. See, you only need 3 of them. You get these 3, you got everything you need. You're gonna need denim, you're gonna need chinos, and you're gonna need a smart trouser. For denim, Levi's 550s, straight cut. They're not overly tight. They just look good and they're ultra comfortable. And at the price point, you can buy yourself 3 or 4 pairs if you wanted more colorways, but you only need 1 because this thing's a workhorse. You can wear this down to the ground and you'll be good. Yo, the good thing with Levi's is that it helps you save money. See, with Levi's, you buy a pair of jeans, you got these for years. Matter of fact, you go through any thrift store, most of the denim in that thrift store will be Levi's. These are the type of things where you don't need to be rebuying a lot. And that's the point of this video. When you build a wardrobe, you don't need 100 different pieces. 11 essential pieces that's gonna last you years. It's more than enough to have a stylish wardrobe that you can build any outfit you can think of and you'll always look good. You're gonna save money and it's good for the planet as well. This takes us on to our chinos. Our chinos, obviously, they're from Levi's, our sponsor as well. See, these chinos, again, it has that nice classic fit. It's with Levi's fresh modern twist. It's not overly tight in the khaki colorway. It's just versatile. It's probably the colorway that I would recommend. You can do khaki or navy. Khaki, in my opinion, just a little bit more versatile, and it allows you to dress up if you need to do so. And again, anything that you like from this that's from Levi's and you guys want to shop, it's going to be linked down below. You guys go to Levi's and make that same action. Start buying pieces for your wardrobe that will last you longer so you don't have to be wasting money and time and resources that are not only damaging for the environment but also damaging to your pocket. Buy stuff that lasts longer. This takes us on to our third option, which is smart. I call these smart trousers because they could be anything from a suit pant to a performance dress pant. The point is, these are more tailored. These are more fitted. These are the trousers that you're gonna wear when you're really trying to dress things up. You wanna look more sophisticated. You got a presentation, you got a nice date, you got an interview. These are the smart trousers you're gonna go for. I believe every dude needs at least one of these, whether it's in gray or a navy. I prefer gray, but you make the choice. At the end of the day, you have these 3 bases set. You got a good, solid foundation for your outfit, and this rolls on to the tops. At tops, I'm gonna recommend 4 different tops. You got the fitted t-shirt. Like, you can never have a complete wardrobe without one good fitted tee. It has no logos, it has no distressing, just a simple t-shirt, ideally white or black. White will probably be more versatile. Again, this is just a standard. Next, you have a crew neck. A crew neck is just a simple piece where it's comfortable and it looks good with almost every other piece that we've talked about in your wardrobe so far. This one also is from Levi's, and again, it has that nice classic fit. It's comfortable. It's made out of a thick, heavy cotton, so you got nothing to worry about. This is a piece that's gonna last you years. Now, the cool thing with these products is that it makes great gifts as well. Like I'm saying, these are staples in wardrobe. So not only should you be building your wardrobe like this timeline that I'm showing you, these are pieces that you can go and buy for any dude in your life. And I'm guaranteeing you, it's gonna be the most versatile and most used piece in this collection because that's the point of these pieces. Intrinsically, they're just easy to wear and mix and match with anything, making it that one piece that you always gravitate to. So if you want to do a great gift, gift any of these pieces to a loved one. This rolls us down to the third shirt, which is a button down. This is the smart button down, the one that looks dressy. Again, this will pair great with any of the bottoms that you have, specifically better with the smart trousers. But again, everybody needs at least one clean button up that's always gonna smarten up your look. And then finally, number 4, it's the polo. Again, another versatile piece for the warmer months. A great way to switch it up so you're not always just wearing a t-shirt and it looks great with all the other bases. And now, boys, we're in our final stage, which is our outerwear. And I recommend at least one piece here. See, you already have 10 base pieces, right? We have our 3 shoes, we have our 3 pants, we have our 4 tops, and now you need at least one outerwear piece. And when it comes to outerwear, here are your most versatile ones. You got the trucker jacket, you got the bomber jacket, or you got the puffer jacket. Pick one of those 3 that you like the best. Here are some examples. The trucker from Levi's, again, a staple. Bro, a trucker jacket from Levi's will last you 5 to 10 years easy if you take care of it. You also got the bomber jacket, again, also a staple. And ultimately, you got a puffer jacket, which looks great as well. In my opinion, the trucker jacket will probably give you the most versatility where you can wear them with any piece, whether it's the smart trousers or the rugged look or the casual look. It's just gonna look good across the board. At the end of the day, you just need one jacket, those 10 base pieces, and now you have a complete wardrobe that didn't break the bank and it's gonna last you years. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Levi's, and a huge thank you to Levi's for sponsoring this video. Again, all the Levi's pieces that you saw, they're gonna be linked down below and you can shop today. That's it for me today. See you next time.